Hey, AI-inspired shifter! Did you know that ChatGPT now can analyze your competition and give you a complete word-for-word YouTube video script that's optimized to go viral? Or maybe you didn't realize that it can now analyze your entire website and instantly give you a full plan to increase your conversions and sales? Well, those two things are absolutely nothing, because by the end of this video, you're going to see 5 insane ways to use ChatGPT 5 that will save you and your team hours of work and fundamentally change how you scale your business. This is really fascinating, and that's why I want to show you. Let's dive in. Welcome back, I'm David, and on this channel I cut through the AI noise to show content creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners on how to use AI to get real business results and reveal the latest and greatest AI tools. Today, we're not just talking about theory. I'm going to show you exactly how to use these new features to streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. And stick around till the end, because I've got a free download that gives you every single prompt from this video, so you can start using these features with your business immediately. And I've also got a bonus tip. Use case 1, the YouTube script strategist. Are you running out of ideas? Are you struggling to write a script that hooks your audience and keeps them watching? I know you've been all there, but that's no longer an issue. Check this out. Go over to my cheat sheet, copy this prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste that in, and this is saying, I need you to act as a viral YouTube content strategist, analyze the top 3 videos from this YouTube channel. Now you can replace this with your competitor's YouTube channel's URL, and then also replace this with your topic here of what you want to create. Not only that, but now I want you to go to your competitor's YouTube channel, take the URL, go over to popular videos, click it, open it, and then go to the latest popular YouTube videos and choose the one that you really like, that you think is performing really well. And also make sure that it's actually quite new, 2 years old or something like that. Go here, share, copy the URL, go over to YouTubetranscript.io, paste in the URL, extract transcript, and boom, just like that, you've got the whole transcript out of this YouTube video. You can copy this transcript, go back to ChatGPT, paste in the script as well, hit go. And ChatGPT is super fast. And this is a game changer. It learns from what already is working in your niche and applies that strategy directly to your new content. It's like having a dedicated scriptwriter and content analyst on your team, saving you hours of work of writing it yourself and paying a lot of money for a scriptwriter. Now, what you will get once it's finished is something like this. You will get the key elements from the video that it analyzed. It gives you what he's doing really well, and then it gives you a 5-minute script of your video. It gives you a time breakdown and the full script so that you can create your next video that will go viral. Now, obviously read through it and ensure that it's really aligned with your tone and your voice, but ChatGPT has a really good memory feature, so most likely it will adapt it to your tone and style anyways. And it gives you even why this will work. Use case number 2, the conversion rate expert. What if you could have a top-tier marketing consultant for free? ChatGPT is the closest thing to that. Let's go back to ChatGPT and we'll give it a prompt like this. Again, go back to my cheat sheet, copy this prompt from the use case number 2, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and this is saying, I need you to be an expert in conversion rate optimization and landing page design. Now you can change this to website design. Please analyze the landing page, then you can paste in the URL of your landing page or your website, and then it's going to say, tell me exactly how to improve the copy, the layout, and call to action to increase sales. Provide a list of actionable steps and a revised version of the copy for a new version. So go over to your website or landing page and paste in URL here, and then I would recommend you to even add screenshots of the website itself and then hit go. This will scan the entire page and give you a detailed report on what to change, why it's good to change, and even write a new copy for you. It's like having a full marketing team in your pocket, and you will get something like this. What's on the landing page, and the analysis and actionable improvements that you can do of this landing page. Is a random one, is this one here. This is the landing page that I chose. It's very cluttered, it's very overwhelming, it's a lot of information. Gave it this to analyze, and it gave me a lot of different things. The current things that are on the website, the suggestions, the improved visuals, hierarchy and layout, the simplifying and focusing on the call to action, and so many more things. And it gives you an actionable plan, step by step, what you need to do, what you need to change. It gave me a revised copy example of what I can add and change the text of it. Then I've asked it, yes, turn this into a complete mock-up, because it's asked me, should I turn this into a complete mock-up? I would say, yes, please. And then it gave me a landing page mock-up on how it actually should look like, section by section of the landing page. This is insane. After that, it also asked me, should I generate a visual wireframe mock-up? And I said, yes. And this is what it gave me. This looks so much cleaner than this. Look at the difference. Obviously there are images missing on this one, but this is just amazing of what you can do to improve your sales and improve your landing page, your website. This would have taken you hours to do. This would have taken you a lot of money to hire a team or a web developer to do that for you. Now you can just implement that within your WordPress site with Elementor and just, drag and drop and add those texts specifically where ChatGPT told you to change that. Use case 3, the document analyst. First, let's talk about the most powerful new feature for any knowledge worker, the ability to instantly understand and work with any document. Go back to the cheat sheet that I have, go to the use case 3, copy this prompt here, head over to ChatGPT, paste in the prompt, and this is saying, I need you to act as a marketing expert. Please analyze this entire document that I have uploaded and create a 3-point plan on how a beginner can use to build their first AI-powered website. Keep the tone friendly and actionable. And now what you can do is you can go and take the document and paste that in, and it will analyze the document. Once you upload a document, hit go. What this is going to do is analyze every word, every prompt, and every detail from that PDF. Then it will instantly summarize the most important parts and create a completely new actionable plan based on your request. This is like having a research assistant who can read and understand a 50-page document in seconds. It's amazing. So this is what it gave me, this 3-step beginner plan to build your first AI website. Get started with the tools. Pick your builder, sign up to a plan, and brand your name of the website. Let AI build the first draft, polish and publish and share, and give you step-by-step actionable steps. Then I have asked it, turn this into a document, and this is what it gave me. A really simple document. Could have probably added more details if I want to. I asked it, yes, make it into a futuristic modern design. It didn't give me something that I wanted. I want you to create a page out of this, and I want you to code it with the most cool looking design. This is what it gave me. Look at this amazing futuristic page. It just gave me a 1-page side with the prompt here that I can use to build a website, a 3 simple step with exactly what I can do, what you need to set up, and the portfolio sample. Let's build your site. So it basically kind of gave me like a website, but it looks really nice. Use case 4, the instant product manager. The days of needing to hire a developer for a simple internal tool are over. ChatGPT is an instant product manager. Let's say your team needs a simple CRM or a project dashboard. Head over to my cheat sheet guide, go back to the case number 4, go to use case 4, copy this prompt, head over to ChatGPT into a new chat and paste that in. Create a complete, fully functional internal CRM dashboard using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It should include the ability to add, edit, and track client leads, assign them to a team member, and mark them as contacted. The design should be professional and minimalistic. It should also show a dashboard with the analytics. And then hit go. In seconds, it's going to spit out a single HTML file with everything that you need. You can copy this code and have a working tool for your team in minutes. This is no longer just a toy, it's a team productivity machine that saves you hours of work and money. Now this is what it created. Just like that, you've got a dashboard. Now it has a bug that you can see. You can click fix bug and it will edit the CRM dashboard for you and make it work. And this is what I got. Run the code and here you can add leads. test 1 assigned to Mark, it's been contacted, okay, and it's adding it. Now, this is not really a dashboard, so I've asked it to optimize it, and I said yes, and use an analytics dashboard too. Use this website to make the dashboard more modern, and use this as an example. I've gave it the SEMrush website that looks pretty modern. Then that's what it gave me. This looks way more sophisticated, but that also again didn't work. So you can just chat with it and ask it to improve it, to change it. You can take screenshots as well and paste it in your chat, and it will do the changes for you just by using plain English. It's really amazing. So what it then did, after a few tweaks and giving it screenshots, it gave me this one here. So here you can add your leads. For example, here tests 4, assign it to marketing. It's a new contact. The date, you can put it here as this date and add a new lead, and it will just continue to add more leads to this dashboard. Not only that, but you can see the analytics of the leads that you've added in a statistic, in a graphic. This is amazing. Bonus use case 5, the prompt optimizer. Now, we all know that prompting is crucial for any LLM that you use. The quality of the questions that you ask are the quality of the answers that you get. That's why I want to share with you my ultimate prompt formula that you can get the best output of any LLM like ChatGPT 5 or Gemini by using a simple formula. And here's a powerful trick. Instead of just giving it your task, first ask the LLM to create an advanced prompt for you. So let's do a comparison here. Open a new chat. Now I'm going to duplicate this window. So we have side by side 2 ChatGPT windows open. I've pasted in my simple prompt. I want to write a video script about the best new AI tools. And on the second one, I'm going to go over to cheat sheet, go to the bonus section here, copy this prompt, head over to your ChatGPT window, new chat, and this says your new role is prompt optimizer. Your task is to take my prompt and turn it into a detailed, comprehensive, and advanced prompt that will generate the most accurate and amazing output. Include a defined persona, a specific task, constraints, and a desired output format. Your response should only contain new optimized prompt. Okay, so now we're going to copy this one because that's the prompt that we actually want to give the LLM, right? And this is what it's going to improve. It's going to improve the prompt that we're going to give to the LLM. So, and just paste that on top, and then let's hit go on both. And obviously here, it's going to create you straight away the video script, but that's a very generic video script. Unless you have a trained custom GPT model, then it will give you a personalized YouTube script. But in our case, we're creating a formula. So here, it gave you the optimized prompt. Act as a cutting-edge AI and tech content strategist with deep knowledge of the latest and AI tool trends and applications in business, productivity, and creative fields. Your task is to write, and it has constraint and requirements, desired output format, and it has a really beautiful structured output. Now, it asks me, I can immediately generate a full video script using this prompt. And you can say, obviously, yes, but most of all, the prompt that I have in my cheat sheet, you can now use for anything that you ask the LLM for, and it will give you always the desired output. It will generate a detailed prompt that you can now use for your actual task. This 2-step process guarantees you to get better, more relevant, and higher quality results every single time. And check out my cheat sheet because I also have a prompt template, a formula that is ACT, but I won't get into that in this video. You can just grab it for free in the comments below. So you've seen the 5 insane things that ChatGPT 5 can do, but none of it matters if you can't talk to it correctly. You need to know how to write the perfect prompts. That's exactly why I've put together a free download for you. I call it the AI Business Blueprint, 5 prompts for creators and entrepreneurs. This exclusive free guide gives you the exact prompts from this video that you can use and customize for your needs. Grab your free copy from the link in the description. What's the one task that you're most excited about with these new features? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.